Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In the world of survival, gear is everything. It's the difference between a minor setback and a full-blown emergency. And with so many new products coming out, it can be hard to know what's actually worth your money. Today, we're cutting through the noise to bring you the 10 coolest new survival gear and gadgets you can buy on Amazon in 2025. These aren't just tools. They're innovations designed to make you safer, smarter, and more prepared for anything life throws at you. Let's get into it. Number 1. Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. First up, a piece of gear that tackles one of the biggest threats in a survival situation, the elements. This is the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent. This isn't your bulky two-person camping tent. This is a compact, life-saving shelter made from military-grade, tear-resistant mylar. When you set it up, it reflects an incredible 90% of your body heat right back at you, ensuring you stay warm and dry even in freezing conditions. The best part? It weighs a ridiculous 8.7 ounces, less than a can of soda. It fits into a tiny drawstring sack, leaving you with plenty of space in your pack for other essentials. It's a literal lifesaver that you won't even notice you're carrying. Number 2. Luminade Solar Camping Lantern and Phone Charger. In the dark, a light source is a non-negotiable. But what if that light could also power your phone? Meet the Luminade Max Quick Inflate. This little square is a powerhouse. It's a solar-powered lantern that produces 200 lumens of ultra-bright LED light, enough to light up an entire campsite or a small room. But here's the game-changing feature. It has a built-in USB port. This allows it to act as a backup battery, giving your smartphone a significant charge when you need it most. It recharges in a couple of hours via USB or can be powered completely off-grid with its built-in solar panel. It's also completely waterproof and shatterproof, meaning it can withstand a fall or a surprise downpour without missing a beat. Number 3. Katadyn Hiker Microfilter Water Purification Unit. You can survive a few days without food, but you can't last long without clean water. The Katadyn Hiker Microfilter is a tried and true survival staple. This pump-action filter is a total workhorse. Instead of waiting hours for chemicals to purify water, you can have a liter of clean, drinkable water in about a minute. The filter uses a pleated glass fiber element to remove bacteria and protozoa, and an activated carbon core to eliminate bad taste and odors from a stagnant stream or lake. It's the kind of reliable, physical tool that gives you total control over one of your most critical survival needs. Number 4. 4Patriots 2-Week Survival Food Kit. When the supply chain is interrupted or a natural disaster hits, having a food source is everything. The 4Patriots 2-Week Survival Food Kit offers a sense of security unlike any other. This kit isn't just about having food. It's about having long-lasting, high-quality meals. The food is protected in military-grade, triple-layer mylar pouches, and each pouch contains a high-tech oxygen absorber. This means your food has an incredible 25-year shelf life. The meals are surprisingly delicious, with family favorites like mac and cheese and Grammy's sweet oatmeal. Just add boiling water, and you're good to go. Number 5. Baofeng UV 5R Pro Tri-Band 2-Way Radio. When cell towers are down, staying connected with your group is essential. The Baofeng UV5R Pro is a high-tech solution. This isn't just a simple walkie-talkie. It has tri-band flexibility, meaning it can access a wider range of frequencies for different situations. Its powerful 10-watt output gives it a long-range communication capability that far surpasses most consumer models. It's built for emergencies with a dedicated NOAA weather radio that keeps you informed of severe storms, and it even has a GPS function to share your location. It's a total game changer for anyone who needs to stay connected when the grid is offline. Number 6. Rovivon Aurora A8 USB-C EDC Flashlight. Don't underestimate the power of an everyday carry or EDC item. The Rovivon Aurora A8 is a tiny flashlight that packs a serious punch. This keychain-sized gadget produces a blazing 420 lumens on its brightest setting, which is enough to temporarily blind an attacker or light up a large area. It has a momentary on mode for a quick burst of light and a lock mode to prevent it from accidentally turning on in your pocket. The coolest part? It has a side-mounted UV light for checking banknotes and a removable magnetic clip and tail base, so you can attach it to a car hood or any metal surface for hands-free work. Number 7. 430-piece first aid kit. In an emergency, every second counts. You don't have time to dig through a disorganized mess to find a bandage. This 430-piece first aid kit is designed for high-stress situations. The genius is in the organization. The inside of the bag is made up of different labeled pockets, so you know exactly where everything is at a glance. It's packed with a huge variety of professional-grade medical items, all within easy reach. The bag itself is made of durable, waterproof polyester and features a MOLLE system so you can attach it to your pack, vehicle, or bike. Number 8. Garmin InReach Mini 2. When you're miles from civilization, this is your lifeline. The Garmin InReach Mini 2 is a compact, lightweight satellite communicator that works where your phone won't. This little device allows you to send two-way text messages to friends and family from anywhere on the planet. But the most important feature is the interactive SOS. If you get into trouble, you can trigger an emergency alert that connects you to a global response center that knows exactly where you are. It also has a trackback routing feature that can navigate you back to your starting point, which is a lifesaver if you get lost. Number 9. Surviveware 98-piece waterproof first aid kit. For adventurers on the water or in wet environments, a standard first aid kit just won't cut it. The Surviveware 98-piece kit is built to withstand a full-on downpour. This durable bag has an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes and its contents will stay completely dry. Just like the last kit, its inner compartments are labeled and organized so you can find what you need instantly. The MOLLE straps make it easy to attach to a kayak, boat, or backpack, ensuring you're prepared for any situation on or off the water. Number 10. CRKT Provoke Folding Knife with Kinematic Technology. And finally, for our last and coolest gadget, we have the CRKT Provoke Folding Knife. This knife looks futuristic, and it is. The genius is in the opening mechanism. This is the first knife ever to feature kinematic technology. Instead of flipping it open, you simply push a crossbar with your thumb while holding the handle, and the blade lunges to life and snaps into a locked position. It's incredibly fast and unique. The blade is forged from high-quality D2 steel, and the handle is made of aircraft-grade aluminum. This is the kind of gear that's redefining what's possible. So there you have it, 10 of the coolest new survival gadgets you can find on Amazon. From the life-saving to the mind-blowingly innovative, these tools prove that being prepared has never been more exciting. Which one of these would you add to your kit first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.